Hello, my superb Algebra 3 students. We are ready for another exciting online trip. We're going to review today finding coterminal angles by adding or subtracting one or more full rotations. A full rotation would be like 360 degrees or 2 pi radians. Remember that given an angle greater than 360 degrees, find a coterminal angle between 0 degrees and 360 degrees by subtracting 360 degrees from the given angle. And again, coterminal angles have the same initial side and the same terminal side. Let's look at this example. Here the theta is 1,000 degrees, which is greater than 360 degrees. So we want to find a coterminal angle that's between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. So we're going to subtract 360 once. That's 640 degrees. That's not between 0 and 360 degrees. So then we're going to subtract 360 degrees again, and we get 280 degrees. Well, our answer will be 280 degrees because 280 degrees is between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. Let's also review this. Given an angle with measure less than 0 degrees, find a coterminal angle having a measure between 0 degrees and 360 degrees by adding 360 degrees to the given angle this time. So we're going to add. So look at this example. Here our theta is less than 0 degrees. So we're going to add 360 degrees. Here we get 295 degrees. Our answer, the coterminal angle, will be 295 degrees. And 295 degrees is between 0 degrees and 360 degrees, which was the stipulation. Let's also review this. Given an angle greater than 2 pi radians, find a coterminal angle between 0 and 2 pi by subtracting 2 pi from the given angle. So we're going to subtract 2 pi from the given angle. So let's look at an example of that. Here we have theta is equal to 21 pi divided by 3. Well, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So that's the same thing as theta being what? 7 pi. 7 pi is greater than 2 pi. So I'm going to subtract 2 pi. I get 5 pi. But 5 pi is still greater than 2 pi. I subtract 2 pi again. I get 3 pi. Well, 3 pi is still greater than 2 pi. I subtract 2 pi again. I get pi. So my theta, the coterminal angle, is theta equals pi. And the pi is between what? 0 radians and 2 pi radians. Let's look at another example, a review. Given an angle less than 0 radians, the angle is less than 0 radians, find a coterminal angle between 0 and 2 pi. By this time, adding the 2 pi to the given angle. We're going to add the 2 pi to the given angle. So if we start out with theta being negative 18 pi over 5, we know 5 will go into 18, a little bit more than 3 point something, right? But it's negative, so it's less than what? 0 radians. So this time we're going to add 2 pi. And see, our denominator is 5. So 2 pi is the same thing as 10 pi over 5 because 5 will go into 10 too. So it's the same thing as 2 pi. And we have to have what like denominators before we can add and subtract what fractions. So we're going to have a negative 18 pi divided by 5 plus 10 pi divided by 5, which gives us a negative 8 pi divided by 5. Well, we want something that's positive between 0 and 2 pi. This is still negative. So we're going to add 2 pi again. Remember now that 2 pi is 10 pi over 5. So negative 8 pi plus 10 pi gives us 2 pi. Keep the same denominator 5. So our theta is 2 pi over 5. 2 pi over 5 is between 0 radians and 2 pi radians. So our answer again is 2 pi over 5 radians. And let me bring this up so you can see it here. I was emphasizing that 2 pi over 5 is between, again, 0 and 2 pi radians. And remember, as you review this video, remember to stop, rewind, review. Stop, rewind, review. And my love goes out to you.